Hello, in this video I want to show you how to claim Invincible presents Atom Eve game from Prime Gaming. And to do this, first you'll need to open Prime Gaming and make sure that you actually have the subscription. And you can do it by opening your search engine and looking for Amazon Prime Gaming. Now, when you open it, inside, log into your account with subscription, and here in this top view, you will find the banner with the game, and you can select Get Game, and link your account. This will basically transfer you to Epic Game Store, and here you can log into your account that you want to add the game to this account library basically. So I'm gonna log in real quick, and right after you linked your account, the game should be added to your library in Epic Game Store, so we can open it when you have this app installed. Log into your account again, and when you're logged in, you can move to the library. Inside there's this game, you can click on it to proceed with the installation. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.